Well, hello, Chef David, and welcome back to the AI Chef's Kitchen.
Hello, Chef Kevin. Good to see you, and good to see you, viewers. How's it going, everyone?
So, today's recipe I've called Mocha Motivation. So, do you know what a mocha is, Chef David?
Oh, it's just my two favorite things in the world combined: coffee and chocolate. I'm with you already.
There you go. So, when I used to work regularly in an office with, kind of my team, come the afternoon, and we're recording this in the afternoon, there'd be that little bit of lull, and sometimes you need motivation. So you might go and as a group, you'd stretch your legs, you'd walk, you'd go get a coffee, maybe a mocha. You got the caffeine, you got the chocolate for the endorphins. But, now more of us, and myself included, are working from home often. And, you still sometimes need that motivation. And one of the things about going to get a coffee with the group is you could talk through and get some encouragement in addition to the chocolate and the caffeine. So let's go. I'm going to share my screen. And here's a way that AI may be able to give you motivation when you're feeling stuck or maybe overwhelmed with a particular project. So here I'm in Gemini, but you can do this in ChatGPT. I created this fictional project called the Zenith Tower Project. Of course, I used AI, Chef David, to create it. This fictional project is just to create the tallest building in the world. But that's daunting. So I told Gemini I'm feeling stuck and overwhelmed. And here's the Mocha Motivation recipe. Please write a letter from my future self to me, encouraging me related to this project. And so I did that, and it's prepared a letter. And so I'm going to open it, and this is Canvas mode, but it once again, you can use your AI chatbot of choice. But here you can see I've got this letter. It's from the future where the project is completed, and now it's encouraging me. And what I like about it is, as I scroll down, it just says, remember, it felt impossible. It's saying it remembered, because this is my future self. It just said, here's what you need to do, breathe. Just close the overwhelming project plan and stop looking at phase 6 and just start doing one single thing. So it's giving me a tip. It's saying the stuck feeling will pass. Just go do that one small thing to get you moving forward. So that's really, probably be better to go out with a group of colleagues and, walk and grab a mocha. But when you're at home, you can still make yourself a coffee and turn to your AI chatbot for that mocha motivation. And I like this idea of getting a letter from yourself when the project's complete. So that's the AI tip, the recipe for today.
Oh, that's great. And I think the future self thing, I think that's commonly used in psychology. I've done it myself at times. There was, when I was really young, when I was in my early 20s, I was really, really out of shape. And a friend of mine said, picture 25-year-old you walking up to 20-year-old you and being in shape and saying, thank you. I really appreciate it. It's nice to be in shape at 25. And I did that. And at 25, I was in shape. And I remembered that. And I thought, hey, 20-year-old me, thank you. That was cool. And when I was 40, I'm like, I wanted to learn guitar. 40 is old to start practicing guitar. But I thought, you know what? When I'm 50, if I'm playing for 10 years and I'm really good, I'm going to say, thank you, 40-year-old me. It's nice to be 50 and be able to play guitar. And so that picturing the future yourself coming back and thanking you for doing the work is a way to motivate, because you're like, I don't want to do the work. I don't want to. I'm going to get nothing out of practicing guitar today for the first day. I'm not going to be able to play. It's going to take 10 years. But 10 years from now, me will appreciate it. So that, and the way you wrapped it up and have AI help you with it is great. I think this one will work for people.
There you go. Well, thank you. And until our next recipe, take care.
Thanks for watching.